Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming your Shopify plan and checkout features, because many fixes depend on plan limits. Once done, reproduce the failure step by step. Add items, select shipping, enter payment. Make sure to record browser, device, and any cart discounts or scripts active. Next, enable password or draft storefront so you can test without affecting customers. That gives you a safe environment to iterate quickly and isolate the problem before changing themes, apps, or settings. You now dig into the core: theme, apps, and Shopify settings. First, switch to a Shopify default theme to see if customizations break checkout. This isolates theme code. Then disable checkout apps and custom scripts sequentially, testing after each change so you know which element causes the failure. Also, check payment gateway credentials, fraud protection rules, and shipping profiles. Mismatched zones or expired keys commonly block checkout. Make sure to clear caches and use an incognito browser to avoid stale sessions. You finish by applying the targeted fix you identified. Patch theme liquid or JS, update app settings, or rotate gateway keys. Deploy to staging first. Once deployed, run full end-to-end tests: guest checkout, logged-in customers, discount codes, and mobile flows, because different paths can reveal new issues. After successful tests, publish the fix during low traffic. If problems persist, revert to default checkout and gather logs, screenshots, and steps to reproduce before contacting Shopify or the app developer for deeper support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.